Sewer and drainage systems protect us every day. They safeguard health, prevent flooding, and keep cities running. But corrosion, blockages, and extreme weather push pipe systems to their limits. Amiblu provides custom-designed solutions that solve the sewer and drainage challenges of today and tomorrow. Our GRP pipe systems are non-corrosive and resistant to sulfuric acid, securing reliable performance where other pipe materials fail. They keep wastewater flowing even at low gradients, preventing slime buildup and blockages. As heavy rains intensify under climate change, our storage systems hold stormwater effectively. In dense urban areas, space is tight and disruption costly. Lightweight yet strong, Amiblu GRP pipes can be installed quickly and safely by micro-tunneling. And with Amiblu NC line, custom made to any shape or size, damaged sewers can be relined almost unnoticed. We build the infrastructure that makes cities stand the test of time, ensuring resilience now and security for the future.